In the dawn of the new millennium, a digital revolution was taking shape. The late 1990s had seen a rapid growth in the World Wide Web, with businesses and investors rushing to stake their claim in the burgeoning tech industry. The year 2000 marked the peak of this digital gold rush, a time when the Internet seemed to promise limitless potential for growth and prosperity. This was the era of the dot-com bubble, a period of rapid and excessive speculation in the stock market that fueled a frenzied race to create and invest in online businesses. Companies with little to no actual product or revenue were going public, their stock prices skyrocketing on the strength of hopes and dreams. The tech-savvy and the ambitious flocked to this new frontier, lured by the prospect of striking it rich. Aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned investors alike were captivated by the siren song of the Internet, willing to risk everything to be a part of this digital utopia. Yet, as the 21st century began, the foundations upon which this bubble was built started to show signs of strain. Investors, driven by unbridled greed, began to ignore the warning signs that the market was overheating. As the mania for all things digital reached a crescendo, the stage was set for a catastrophic fall. The burst of the dot-com bubble unfolded in a series of dramatic events that would forever change the tech industry. In March 2000, the Nasdaq Composite Index, the benchmark for tech stocks, plummeted 363 points, marking the beginning of the end for many overvalued companies. As the bubble burst, once promising startups and established tech giants alike found themselves facing financial ruin. The dream of limitless growth seemed shattered, as businesses that had been valued at billions of dollars the year prior now faced the very real possibility of bankruptcy. The consequences of the dot-com bubble were far-reaching and profound. The tech industry was forced to reassess its values, moving away from the hype and speculation that had characterized the late 1990s. In its place emerged a more sober and discerning approach to investing, one that emphasized solid business models and sustainable growth. The dot-com bubble burst remains a powerful reminder of the dangers of unchecked ambition and greed. It serves as a cautionary tale for those who seek to profit from the latest technology trends, urging them to approach the digital landscape with a critical eye and a steadfast commitment to sound business practices. As we look back on this tumultuous period in history, we can see that the dot-com bubble was not just a story about the rise and fall of the Internet economy. It was a story about human nature, about the capacity for both boundless optimism and devastating disillusionment. And while the exact parallels between the dot-com bubble and the current digital landscape may be debated, one thing remains clear: the power of the Internet and the tech industry will continue to shape and reshape our world, offering both promise and peril in equal measure.